times in his rhymes cause his memories. We running through New York so you never leave. Strap my lungs then we puffin' through with that right. We're giving them some stories, they come back like manic this, manic that, why you crawling to me?
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just really a quick announcement to let a lot of you guys know that I know I've been joining the membership, as well as firing off your questions regarding what's included in the expert package. So as you know, I'm very upfront about it, and I like to be upfront with you guys that are paying members. Now there is already a lot of you, there's already over 102 people already in the membership. So I just want to go over how the membership works so a lot of you guys are aware, because a lot of you are getting confused by the membership, what's in it, what's not, how it works, what's going on, and I need to just clarify with a lot of you how it works. So as you guys will see, we're doing giveaways on each of the perks. Now, we're doing giveaways based on all the perks, but you guys have got to remember, it's only going to go out to one person when we do a raffle based on all the names, because I can see who's in each package and I'll put all their names into the raffle and it will call out one person. So only one person's going to win that, and it's, the way it works, it's going to be every time we get 200 members on each package. It's not going to be 200 members in total. So at the moment we've got more members in the expert package than we have on any of the other packages, and that's purely because that's where the videos are and that's what everything is exclusive for on the expert package only. The pro and the semi-pro, if you're in that, you can end up winning the prizes, but it's going to be a very long while because most people are picking the expert package. That's where everything comes in, i.e. the videos of the coding and programming. And we're also going to be giving out programmers, because I'm just working with a company as we speak, helping me with the programmers to give away to you guys on half the price, so I can give them away on the membership to a lot of you guys. When you see me using them, you guys will be able to have them as well. So it's another thing that I've managed to pull up with another company, and it's worked a treat. So I just wanted to go over them things with you. And another thing I keep getting asked as well is regarding the software. So the software, as you guys would have seen on the expert package, it states that you'll have access to Google Drive with the 150 programs, which is now even more. It's now end up being 178 programs after calculating. The software packages will come every time we do the tutorial on the software. This is purely because if I was to give all the software, you guys wouldn't have no understanding of how to even install it. Majority of the software that you see on my channel is not the software I use day to day, and if I give you the software, you will have no idea how to use it. There's no point dishing out software and then you guys sitting there with it, not even being able to install it right. You don't even know what operating system you need to run it, because some of them can't even run on the later versions of Windows. Most of them run on Windows 7. So therefore, if you are a member, I would recommend getting yourself a Windows 7 laptop before you even think of getting the software, because otherwise you will not be able to have it, and then you'll be telling me why not install it. Most of it is only built to run on Windows 7. You therefore need to have a Windows 7 laptop. Now, what we're going to be doing is every time we do a tutorial, the link for that software will be at the bottom of the description, and it will be there, and in the end you'll end up with all the programs, because I'm planning to do tutorials on every single one. The next videos you guys are going to be seeing is remapping. Now, when I state remapping and as well as tuning, I don't mean just for BMW, I mean for every car. I've got modules sitting here for VW, Audi, BM, Mercedes, all of them, which I'm showing you how to remap the file and change it all. I've managed to get myself a set of ECUs for all these makes and models, especially on the diesels as well, and I'm showing you how to tune it. We're also going to show you how to delete the EGR, because as many of you guys know, when you remove the EGR blanket, you'll get the engine management light and it throw you into limp mode, especially on the diesel. So that's another thing we're going to be showing how to remove. Also, when you take off the DPF, how to delete the engine management light off that as well. It's very simple. We've got a lot coming up. We also got how to repair the EEPROM files, how to edit the EEPROM file, power class, VIN number change, and everything else in the EEPROM, as well as mileage correction, as many of you guys have been waiting for on the combi and on the CAS. Many of you tried to follow my video and got it all wrong, so I'm going to be showing you how to do all that as well. If all of you are watching this video and you don't know regarding how the membership works, if you are not a member, you will not be able to watch previous videos. So if you try and join later on, you will not have access to any of these videos. You have to be a member beforehand to gain access to these videos. That's the way it is on there, that's the way I've set it, and that's the way it has to be. So I'm just explaining to you guys what's actually happening in the membership, because I know there's been a lot of confusion. I'm glad I've just managed to get this all out there, guys. It's not really a long video to sit here jib-jabbing on. I do owe you members, guys, a live stream as well. We are going to be doing that. I will be doing a live stream. I did try to go live the other night, but for some reason the live stream button wasn't working. I don't know what was happening with YouTube. and I think they fixed it now, so we will be looking to go live, and I'll sort that out with you guys to let you guys know when we're going to be live. And I look forward to hearing from a lot of you guys, because I really appreciate you guys supporting me. I really appreciate all you guys that have become a member. Like I said, I didn't expect that many, but I know you guys are all keen to learn and want to learn how to do everything, and you've all become a member. You guys already see that I'm very loyal to the membership, and it's something you guys know I've been going on about for months and months and months, and now it's here. I'm very dedicated, very passionate about the membership, and that's why I'm willing to put all the work in on the membership more than the public videos. But for the guys that are watching this that are just the subscribers and are not part of the membership, we will be putting out videos, but you guys have got to understand my time is more dedicated to the membership because they're paying members. That's why I'm trying to tell you guys, become a paying member, and in that way you'll always have access to these videos and constantly see videos. Like I said, that's my main priority, because these people are paying people. Paying customers will always come first before public videos, and that's the way it has to be. So if you guys do want to take part in the membership, the link will be pinned to the bottom of the comments. You guys can go and have a look at it, and you can join. I'm sorry to say it ain't available in certain countries, and other people in Egypt, in Nigeria trying to join, and it's not available in their regions. Some regions it's not available, but I know in the US and Australia and the UK it's fully available and fully working, and we've got a lot of members from all over there that are managing to take advantage of the membership. I know some people in Trinidad and Tobago and St. Lucia can't also take part in the membership, and as well as Jamaica. It's not my fault. Like I say, if I could have you guys on board, I would, but I can't do nothing about that. It's not down to me, it's down to YouTube. But I hope you guys just get a brief understanding now what I've been trying to explain to you and how the membership works. And if you have enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up. Like I say, it doesn't really bother me what you guys do on here, like I said, but I know you guys usually give a thumbs up anyway. The ones that do dislike it, this video wasn't for them anyway. It's for you guys who are members and you guys who want to become members, to just help you with a brief understanding of how each perk works, so you guys get a brief understanding, because I know there's a lot of confusion regarding the perks because they're not laid out properly, which I will be editing them, but if I edit them it's going to delay the membership, so I don't want to end up doing that right now. We will wait until everything's back to normal around the world before I edit anything and change everything up, to make it more clearer for people to understand. This is why I put out this video. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean here as always, and goodbye.